Hello everyone. This application is all about group by fiscal quarter or year for Odoo 16 version. So this application help user to group by the purchase order and sale order based on the fiscal year or fiscal quarter. User can apply group by fiscal year or quarter in the list view, Kanban view, pivot view and graph view of sale and purchase order. Now I will show how this application works. If you go to the sales module, if you go to the group by option, you have a fiscal year. Clicking on that, you can see the year fiscal year will be grouped. If you click on fiscal quarter, based on this filter, the fiscal quarter will be filtered. So this is for the list view. If I go to the Kanban view, you can see the fiscal quarter filter will be applied. If you go to the pivot view, you can see the fiscal quarter will be shown like this. So you can see this fiscal quarter in the graph view also. Similarly, if you go to the purchase module, if you group by fiscal year, you can see the fiscal year will be filtered out here in the purchase order also. You have a group by fiscal quarter where here also you can filter it out by the fiscal quarter. So this is for list view, and you can go to the Kanban view. Here you will be able to see the fiscal quarter, and if you go to the pivot view, here also you can see the fiscal year. Physical quarter will be filtered out. If you go to the graph view also, this physical quarter will be filtered out. So this is the application. So if you have any query, then please note down and please comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. Thank you.